Hi everybody, welcome back. We're going to start by looking at the practice activity that we finished the last session with. Okay, so we had a ball and it cost 10p. Okay, and the statement underneath says, I use more than one coin to pay for it. So we're going to think about how many different coins we could use to buy the ball. So I'm sure you've got some ideas down on paper and we're going to have a look at those now. The first way we're going to try and buy the ball is with our 1 penny coins. So we're going to count them out and we're going to count in ones. Are you ready? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p, 9p, 10p. So we've got 10p, so we stop counting there. And we can see that our tens frame is full. So we've definitely used more than one coin, haven't we? So we can buy the ball with 1 penny coins. Next, we're going to try and see if we can buy the ball with 2p coins. Okay, so we're going to count in multiples of 2. Absolutely, good. Ready? 2-pence, 4-pence, 6-pence, 8-pence, 10-pence. And I'm going to stop there because I've got to my 10-pence. How many coins have we used? Well done, we've used 5. That top row of the tens frame is full and we've got 5 2-pence coins which make our 10p. So we can do that, can't we? Because we were looking for coins where we need to use more than one. So we can buy it with 2-pence coins as well. Next, we're going to try and buy the 10p ball with our 5-pence coins. Okay, so I'm going to count in multiples of 5. Well done. Okay, let's go. 5-pence. 10-pence. Oh, I'm there already, so I need to stop counting. And how many coins did we use? We used 2, which is more than 1, so that's fine. We can also buy the ball with our 5p coins. Now we're going to try and buy our ball with our 10p coins. Okay, so we're going to count in multiples of 10. Lovely. Ready? 10. We're there already. We're at 10-pence already. Now let's just check the statement. I use more than one coin to pay for it. Now when we're using our 10p coins, did we use more than one to pay for the ball? No, well done. We didn't. So this time we can't use a 10-pence. So let's go over what we did use. It did work with 1p coins. It did work with 2p coins. And it did work with 5-pence coins. Okay, so we had 3. How many different coins could we use to pay for the ball? 1s, 2s, 5s. We could use 3 different coins. Now, some of you might have done it a little bit differently. You might have used a combination. That means lots of different coins. You might have used 1p's and 2p's, or 2p's and 5p's. As long as your total value, the value you had at the end, made up to 10-pence, and you used more than one coin, then your way was brilliant as well. Okay? In the last session, you were so brilliant at skip counting our coins up to 10-pence that today we are going to try skip counting our coins and finding out how many we need to buy this bear, which this time will cost 20-pence. Yeah, well done for reading that. 20-pence our bear's going to cost. So I've got my purse and it's filled with 1 penny coins. So that's what we're going to try first. We're going to try buying our bear with 1 penny coins. Are you ready to count with me? Ready to count in ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We filled up a whole frame. 10. Let's carry on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. We're going to stop there because we've got to our 20 pence that we need to buy our bear. That was a lot of pennies, wasn't it? Now we need to work out how many pennies we have used to get to our 20 pence. Okay, so have a look at the screen. What can you see? What looks familiar to you? Good, so we're using tens frames. And how many tens frames do we have? 2, and they are both full. So we know that we have 1 tens frame and 2 tens frames. Here's 1 tens frame. Okay, and here is our other tens frame, all filled with our pennies. So the top tens frame is worth 10 pence and the bottom's tens frame is worth 10 pence. What do we have when we put 10 and 10 together? We can use our skip counting, can't we? 10, 20. Good, so we know we've got 20 and we've got 10 in our top frame and we've got 10 in our bottom frame. So 21 p's. So we're going to buy the bear again. It still costs 20 pence, but this time we're going to use our 2 pence coins to do that. Okay, so our bear costs 20p. Each coin has a value of 2p, and we're going to work out how many coins we need. We're going to do that a little bit differently this time. Instead of moving the coins into a tens frame, we're just going to put a mark on them with a pen so that we know which ones we used to get to 20 pence. Okay, are you ready to count with me? Brilliant. Counting in multiples of 2. Well done. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we stop there because we've got to our 20. Okay, so now we need to check how many coins we needed. Are you ready? I'm just going to go back and put a little mark on them as we count how many coins we have. 1 2-pence coin, 2 2-pence coins, 3 2-pence coins, 4 2-pence coins, 5 2-pence coins, 6 2-pence coins, 7 2-pence coins, 8 2-pence coins, 9 2-pence coins, 10 2-pence coins. Well done. So the bear cost 20p. Each coin has a value of 2p, so I need 10 coins. Well done. You are so brilliant at counting in twos that we've changed it again. Okay, so the value of the bear is the same. It still costs 20 pence. But what have we changed? Can you see from the screen? We've changed the value of the coin. Well done. So now each coin has a value of 5 pence. Excellent. Okay, so we're going to count in multiples of 5. Now I wonder, before we do that, I wonder if you can make a prediction. Do you think that this time we will use fewer coins than last time or more coins than last time? We had 2 pence before, now we've got 5 pence. So just have a little think about that and we're going to count. This time when we count, we're going to move our coins. Okay, so you might have seen if adults are counting money, if they've got a big pile of money on a table, they might move the coins across so that they know that these are the ones that they've counted. So that's what we're going to try now. Okay, so you ready to count in multiples of 5 with me? 5, 10, 15, 15, 20. Great, so we've got to our 20 pence. And now we're going to have a look. We can see really clearly, because we've moved them, we can see that our coins down here are the ones that we counted to get to 20p. Okay, so how many coins did we need? We needed 4. Well done. You might have seen that 4 as 3 and 1, or 2 and 2, or you might have just spotted that it was 4 straight away. How did you do with your prediction? We needed fewer coins this time, didn't we? Well done. We needed fewer coins because the value of these coins was greater than the value of the coins we used before. So now we're going to buy the bear, but we're not going to use any pictures on the screen. We're going to use real 10-pence coins. Okay, so we're still buying the bear, which cost 20 pence, and the value of our coins is 10 pence. Okay, good. And we're going to find out how many we need to buy our bear. I've got my purse full of 10-pence coins. Okay, so I've got plenty in there, and we are going to count and see how many we need. Right, so we're going to skip count. Now, what we're going to do this time, instead of moving them or instead of marking them off, we're going to pile them up. Okay, we're going to pile up our money. And this again is something that adults do. Quite often they will make a pile to a certain value, and then they will start a new pile. We're only going to need one pile today, I think, so let's try it. So here we go. Ready? 10 pence, 20 pence. So we've reached our 20 pence. We've counted up to 20 pence in tens. And can you see, if you look really closely, how many coins do I have in my pile? Well done. I have 2 10-pence coins in my pile. So your practice activity for today's session looks like this. You are going to buy a boat which costs 30 pence. Okay, so a bit of a higher number. It costs 30 pence. You're going to do exactly the same as we've done during the lesson. You're going to practice buying it first of all with a 1-penny coin purse, then a 2p coin purse, a 5p coin purse, and a 10p coin purse. And I want you to discover how many 1 pennies you will need to buy the boat, how many 2-penny coins you will need to buy the boat, how many 5-pence coins you will need to buy the boat, and how many 10-pence coins you will need to buy the boat. Your teacher for the next session will check in with you on your practice activity. Thanks very much. Bye.